keto mwandu ne obagi Homa Bay giko kawuono ana suke kama namlulu ye
Romo mane kelo kanyakla gavana suke namlolwe kamane gi goimba ke dongruok ma counties go jakom suke counties moloro namlolwe ngire Peter Nyang'ongo mane Romo koni
potential exists in the region. It has created potential in building and sugarcane and tobacco farming, as well as fishing along the Victoria coastline. Kisumu and Homa Bay counties have potential for rice and cotton farming, as well as the cultivation of sorghum and sugarcane. We are delighted to learn that Anderson Consultants, in collaboration with giko of Turkey, have gone a long way in preparing to invest in the vegetable in Homa Bay. LREB will continue for the Sugar Task Force report to be implemented. Approximately 250,000 small-scale farmers, predominantly from the Lake region, operate in the sugar industry and supply over 92% of the cane milled by sugar processing companies.
Governor Nyong'o ne julima ntie counties nikech gin koro timo mano ne sector bende gikete maino mar kedo kod tuoche alwora mar namlolo.
There is urgent need to adopt a new concept of tourism that seeks to move away from game safaris to leisure and entertainment, which appeal to young people, let alone individuals and couples yearning for diversity in choosing holiday destinations. Key areas of potential include nature and wildlife tourism, agro-tourism, water sports tourism, and cultural heritage and community-based tourism. The potential of Homa Bay is immense. As a region, our resolve is to work together to develop a resilient and flexible multi-professional health workforce with strong interprofessional working skills.
E kinde romo no mar keto mwandu mano obagi e mbalariany ma Tom Mboya, gavana ma kaunti ni Gladys Wanga ne oketo kokio girimiti ochiko gi joketo mwandu makoro biro keto mwandu e kaunti ni ka jopiny to wacho ni margi en mondo romo no nyago olemo.
Ing'eni kidhi kata Mombasa kuchocho idhi yudo ka e dho nam nitiere gotende madongo dongo mondiko nyithiwa to Homa Bay kae kwa ng'iyo king'iyo ang'iya along the lake kuondga onge gotende moro ng'at moro ma nigi pesa ne moro maduong' dhi man kanyo.
Joket mwandu duto mane waseywa kagi ginyalo bedo ni ginyalo mondo gichop chenro margi mar mwandu nyithindwa yudo wakati kawo tich.
Ramogi